This video will teach you how to sort Microsoft Excel data alphabetically. Format the header row. Select the column you wish to alphabetize. Click the Data tab. Look for the Sort and Filter section. Click the AZ button. Select the column you wish to alphabetize. Click the AZ button. Select the column. Click the AZ button. Sorting by last name. Format the header row. Insert a new blank column. Enter the formula for first names. Type =sign left A2. Find space in between quotation marks A2 enclosed in parenthesis. Copy this formula to the entire column. Enter this formula. Write A2 len A2 minus sign find space in between quotation marks A2 enclosed in parenthesis. Copy this formula to the entire column. Sort by the last name column.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.